just saw an injured bird, winged bird, running across this field. Let Disco out. She ran it down. She's bringing it back. No shots fired. Thank God, because I'm missing. Yeah, girl. Yeah, I could see the wing was a little goofy on that. Pulled back in. And there we go. We got it. Good girl, Disco. Yeah. Ah, we could keep this one for a pet if we wanted. I think we're gonna eat it. Good girl, Disco dog. Good girl. Hey, what's all that? Running with feathers in your mouth? There we go, kids. That was a injured bird running through the field, and that was all Disco, 100% Disco. I just let her out, she chased it down, and that was the endless story. So there we go. There's our bird. First bird of the day, not a shot fired, 100% Disco. Good girl, Disco dogs. Good girl. She's on something there. She's got a little kerfuffle going on. There's a, I can help, that's for sure. Oh my fucking God. Oh, I thought it was a rooster. Good girl. Good girl. All right. No, that's it. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, well. Sorry about that, Miss Hen. Well, Disco 2 birds today. Me none.